great achievement, and that's all down to, first of all, my father. He worked hard, and I think for the first 2 years he didn't take a day off leave to get the practice up and running and to where it is today.
I'm not a techno geek at all, but I could see this new thing called computers was going to be the thing of the future. And the first system we had was a little Linux system that we could just send our vaccine reminders. And I mean, now each member of staff has got their own little pad. The days of the big box sitting here and big box sitting there are history.
I think Vet Radar has been life-changing, especially for our nurses. We used to have a paper system, and they would copy every day a new ICU sheet onto a new piece of paper. If I altered that, then they wouldn't like that. Now it's dynamic. You can do it, it saves time. We're a busy practice. You've got a full record, it's there all the time, nothing gets left off. It's amazing.
As we've gotten used to it, it's a godsend. It has been so much better for us now. Everything runs a lot more smoothly, things can get done so much quicker, it just works really, really nicely to get everything flowing and get things going a lot quicker.
Vet Radar allows a live version as to what is going on with your patients. And if you're not at the hospital and you're sitting at home, you can actually see what is going on and you can intervene sooner rather than later. And also, if I have a patient of mine that now was admitted when I was on leave and I've seen him, I can actually go look in the system and see what his blood pressures were at this time, this time, this time. It's live, it's integrative, it really helps patient care.
So the iPads was a big player with Vet Radar. So it allows the nurses and the vets to walk around the entire practice. It allows them to walk into the wards, for example, and as they're administering a drug or feeding a dog in a cage, they can enter it right then and there without having to write it on a piece of paper on their hand and then go back to the computer and enter it in.
The patient care seems to be a lot quicker, a lot more efficient. Everybody knows what they have to do, when they have to do it, and it just seems to run a lot more smoothly. It actually has made a big difference to the actual patient care that we're giving here.
Everything gets charged for, so as an owner or a partner, it makes it all easier. You're not duplicating the same stuff all the time. So once you've written it up properly on Vet Radar, it goes straight through to ezyVet, and there's a full record. So if there's anyone querying anything and they're asking questions or not trusting us, it's all there.
To have ezyVet and Vet Radar, they work so seamlessly together. I would recommend it to any practice.
It's made a huge difference for us. From piles and piles of paperwork being scanned into the computer, now it's all paperless. So it's all there on the cloud. There's no big server room anymore. It's definitely worth the move. It'll revolutionize your practice.